Good morning students, welcome to maths class. How are you? Hope you are fine. Yes, we are learning exponents and powers. As I said, laws of exponents we learned. So how to write rational numbers, negative exponent to positive exponents, all we learned. As I said. So today we are going to learn about multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of rational numbers. Multiplicative inverse of rational numbers. So p by q, rational number means numbers of the form p by q set. So if the number rational number having p by q the whole power plus n, then multiplicative inverse means p by q the whole power minus n. Last class we learned positive negative exponent. They said if a rational number having negative exponent, you have to convert into positive exponent. Means what will you do? P by q, you will write q by p the whole power plus n. I said that is another one. This is multiplicative inverse. Don't confuse. That's what I said last class. You must not confuse positive exponent. Okay, positive exponent or negative exponent. Next, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a rational number means p by q the whole power plus n is equal to p by q the whole power minus n. Don't think, ma'am, don't confuse, ma'am. Last class taught p by q the whole power plus n is equal to p by q by p the whole power minus n, or p by q the whole power minus n is equal to q by p the whole power plus n. You don't confuse like that. This is when the positive negative exponents. Here this is multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse of a rational number? P by q the whole power plus n is q by p by q the whole power minus n. Okay, p by q the whole power minus n. So now we will do some problems. Okay, yes, we'll do some problems related to the multiplicative inverse. That is first problem, r power minus 1. So multiplicative inverse r power minus 1, that means multiplicative inverse p by q the whole power plus n is equal to p by q the whole power minus n, or p by q the whole power minus n is equal to p by q the whole power plus n. I said this is multiplicative inverse. So here r power minus 1. I said, so r power minus 1 means this is an integer. So it is r by 1 the whole power minus 1, where that is equal to r by 1 the whole power multiplicative inverse. You write r by 1 the whole power, the multiplicative inverse of, that is the exponent, positive exponent, not, that is not positive or negative exponent. Here multiplicative inverse, the multiplicative inverse of r by 1 the whole power minus 1 is equal to, tell me, r power 1. Okay, otherwise you can write, see this r power minus 1, one more method is there, 1 by r power 1. 1 by r power 1 is r power minus 1. Okay, r power minus 1 is 1 by r, that is 1 by r power minus 1. You don't confuse this and that, just you do this, follow this method only. Okay, and r power minus 1 is equal to r by 1 the whole power minus 1 is equal to r by 1 the whole power, otherwise you can write r by 1 the whole power 1 which is equal to r power 1 which is equal to r. Okay, r power, the multiplicative inverse of r power minus 1, since r is an integer, we wrote of the form p by q the whole power minus 1. So the multiplicative inverse of r by 1 the whole power minus 1 is r by 1 the whole power 1, or r power 1 by 1 power 1, that is r power 1 which is equal to r. Okay, clear now? Shall we go for the next problem? Next problem, what is the next problem means? R square by d square. R square by d square, r square by d square means a power m by b power m is equal to a by b the whole power m. Am I right? R by d the whole square. Can I write like this? Yes, I can do. I know a power m by b power m is equal to a power m by b, you all know. So a power m by b power m is equal to a by b the whole power m. You are going to apply this and you got this. You don't get confused. Why ma'am has written r square by d square? How can I write r by d? No, here we have one law. According to this law, I applied this law and I got r by d the whole power 2. Now the multiplicative inverse of r by d the whole square. See, plus n means minus n. That is r by d the whole power minus 2. Okay, or you can write r power minus 2 by d power minus 2. Whatever means. Okay, this or this, whatever means. This is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. Okay, understand? R square by d square, how I got this? R by d the whole square. The multiplicative inverse of r by d the whole square is r by d the whole power minus 2. That does not, you can stop by here. Okay, you can stop by here. You don't want to go for here. Don't get confused. Okay. Sometimes if you are getting doubt why the question is like this, then you can write like this. Okay. Understand? That problem 5 power 5 by 3 power minus 5 power 5 by 3 power minus. Okay. See. 5 power 5 by 3 power minus, and how will you write? Here this 5 power 5 by 3 power minus 7. So how will you get? You will write 5 power 5 into 3 power 7. Can I write like this? If I take here means I will get this set. So now what is the negative value? 5 power, the multiplicative inverse of 5 power 5. I change this to this. A power, not like that, 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. I said you know this. So I wrote like this, 5 power 5 into 3 power 7. So the question is 5 power 5 into 3 power 7 is equal to, tell me, 5 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 7. This is the answer. 5 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 7. Okay. So the next question, write the reciprocals with positive exponents. So you have to write, next question is, you have to write the reciprocal, or you have to find out the multiple, you have to try the multiplicative inverse, and then you have to convert that into positive exponents. That numbers, first you have to find out the multiplicative inverse, or first you have to write the multiplicative inverse of that problem. After that you have to convert that to positive exponents. Okay. So r power, first problem, r power 4. So what is the reciprocal of this r power 4? R multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of r power 4 is r power minus 4, set. But what is our question? Write the reciprocals. First I wrote the reciprocal. I know r power r by 1 the whole power 4 is equal to r by 1 the whole power minus 4, which is equal to r power minus 4 is the reciprocal. This is the reciprocal, set. Yes? That's what I wrote in short form, r power minus 4. I know how I got this. But for you it is difficult, that's what I am giving the step. Reciprocal of r power 4 is r power minus 4. How you got? This is how, இது வந்து எப்படி கிடைச்சுன்னு I have explained here. How r power 4 is equal to r by 1 the whole power 4 set. That means I know p by q the whole power plus n is equal to p by q the whole power minus n. That multiply to the reciprocal value means r by 1 the whole power minus 4 set. So which is equal to r power minus 4 by 1 power minus 4, which is equal to r power minus 4. This is how I got this. Now what is the next? I have to write the first I found the reciprocal, then I have to write in the exponent in the positive form. So a power minus m is equal to, I know a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, or 1 by a power m is equal to k power minus m, or 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m. Okay. So here I can apply first a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power. That is, according to this formula, I got r power minus 4 is equal equal to 1 by r power 4. Now I got, okay. First I converted this, I wrote the reciprocal r, I found the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse he converted. After that I have to find out the, I have to write the positive exponent. See, if I get here it is positive exponent. If I find the multiplicative inverse means or reciprocal means I will get negative exponent only. Again I have to convert that into positive exponent. Okay. So the second problem, 5 by 7 the whole power minus 5. 5 by 7 the whole power minus. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is 5 by 7 the whole power plus 5. Is it? So whether the exponent is in the positive number? Yes. So we don't want to change this. It is already there is positive exponent, so I don't want to convert this into negative exponent, because the multiplicative inverse of 5 by 7 the whole power minus 5 means 5 by 7 the whole power 5 by 7 the whole power plus 5. Okay. Third problem. What is it? Minus 17 by 11 the whole power plus 2. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Minus 17 by 11 the whole power minus 2. So minus 2, if I want to convert into positive exponent means what I should write? That means I know p by q the whole power minus n is equal to q by p the whole power plus n. Is it? I want, what is the question? I want that number in the positive exponent. I don't want it in the negative exponent. So I know minus 17 by 11 the whole power minus 2 is equal to minus 11 by 17 the whole power plus 2. So don't confuse multiplicative inverse. I know you will be getting confused what is positive exponent, what is negative exponent, what is multiplicative inverse. Okay, last class I clearly explained. That's what I didn't take this multiplicative inverse last class, because I know you will be getting confused. So multiplicative inverse means p by q the whole power positive exponent, p by q the whole power plus n means q by p the whole power minus n. That is positive exponent. Here negative exponent. Here multiplicative inverse means p by q the whole power plus n is equal to p by q the whole power minus n. Okay. So next, laws of exponents. We are going to do some problem related to laws of exponents. Okay. We didn't do set. Last year we did for integers. This year we are going to apply the laws of exponents and we are going to do some problems. You all know what is the first law. What is the first law? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So this is the first law. So applying this formula we are going to do one problem. 5 power minus 2 into 5 power minus 3. Can you tell me 5 power minus 2 into 5 power minus 3 using this law? That is 5 power minus 2 plus minus 3. Am I right? Can I write like this? 5 power minus 2, 5 power minus 3. Is set. So which is equal to 5 power minus 2 plus into minus minus 3. Yes? Which is equal to 5 power minus 2 minus 3. Tell me what is minus 2 minus 3? Same sign. Add and put the, so that is minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5. Okay. So what is the second law? A power m. Law 2. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So tell me 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 2 the whole power minus 3, which is equal to, tell me, 1 by 2 the whole power. Here a is 1 by 2, m minus 2 n minus 3. 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 minus of minus 3. Here minus of minus 3, the sign. Here it is already, it is minus 3. Already here 1 n, here the value of n is minus 3. Before n there is 1 minus, that is minus 2 minus of minus 3. Okay. While putting this space sign only you will be getting confused. Okay. That is 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 plus into minus into minus plus 3. Set. Minus into minus is plus, that is minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 the whole power. Different sign means subtract and put the greater number sign. So you have to subtract 2 minus 3, that is 3. What is the greater number sign? Plus 1. So 1 by 2 the whole power plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then what is the third law? You know, already I taught you the third law, that is a power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. So that is minus 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2 the whole power minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2 into minus 3. Here value of m is minus 2, value of n is minus 3. Okay. So the value of n is minus 3, that is. So what is the next step? Minus 1 by 3. You don't want to do this a anything. Keep the a as it is. Minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6. Okay. 1 by minus 1 by 3 the whole power 6. So what is the fourth law? Fourth law, a power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m is it. So 5 power minus 2 into 5 power, sorry, 5 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. Tell me what I should write. 5 into 10 the whole power minus 2. Okay, minus m, same value, minus 2. So I have this. So a and b, 5 into 10. You can write 50 power minus 2. You can write, or you can stop here. 50 the whole power minus 2 or 1 by 50 square. Whatever you can write. Okay. Or you can stop here also. Don't get confused. If you have doubt, you can stop with 5 into 10 the whole power minus 2 or 50 the power minus 2. If you want positive exponents, you can write like this. Okay. Then today's last problem. So we will see the remaining in the next class. Okay. The fifth law. What is the fifth law? You all know. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b the whole power m. Okay. Remaining we will see in the next class. So a power m by b power m equal to a by b the whole power m, that is 5 power minus 3 by 8 power minus 3, which is equal to 5 by 8 the whole power minus 3. If you want to write this you can stop here also. If they ask you write in the positive exponent means what will you do? You all know, already you know. Say p by q the whole power minus n is equal to q by p the whole power n. You can apply it like that. 8 by 5 the whole power plus 5. You can write. After further if you want means you can write like this. 8 cube by 5 cube. Last class I taught no. A by b the whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. I taught the set. So you can write, or you can stop here also. Okay. If you want to simplify, if the question is simplify or evaluate means again you have to do like this. 8 into 8 into 8 by 5 into 5 into 5. Just now you don't get confused. After that you have to multiply and write. If it is improper fraction you have to convert into mixed fraction. All this you know. But this, our question is not evaluate. Just you have to apply the law. If you want to apply the law, you have to write a power m by b power n equal to a by b the whole power m. So you can stop here. So, okay. Okay. The remaining we will see in the next class. Okay. So today we learned multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? P by q the whole power plus n means p by q the whole power minus n. Okay, then we applied the laws of exponents and we did some problems. So 5 laws. What are the laws? A power m into b power m equal to a power m into a power n equal to a power m and a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, a power m the whole power n equal to a power m, a power m into b power m equal to ab the whole power m. Set a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, a power m by b power a power n equal to a power m minus n, a power m the whole power n is a power m and A power m into b power m equal to ab the whole power m. A power m by b power m equal to a by b the whole power m. Okay. So we applied this laws and we did some problems. Okay. Remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you students. Thank you.